Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of trigonometry. Exercise 11.2 solution. In this video we are going to find the solutions. So there are 7 questions are there, and in the 7 questions there is a one first bit and second bit are there. So this has contained like 5 to 5 questions, and this has 3 or 4 questions is there. So these total questions are we are solving in this video. Okay, in in yesterday class, I told you some important basics points of the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Those are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And also I explained how will be 0 and 90 degrees values will come using the triangles. Okay, so completed here 30 and 90, 0 and 90, and after that 30 and 60 also we did. Okay, 30 and 60 values also I explained in that video. Please go through that one. So check the value sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 values, and after that cosecant 60, secant 60, cot 60 values how will it come. I already explained it in this last video. And again tan 45 also I explained in last video. What is the tan 45? So tan 45 ratio is I already explained sin 45, cos 45, tan 45. These all values I explained in the last video. Please check once. Okay. After that I explained like this trigonometric table also I explained. So how it will trigonometric table will form, and how it will be uh, come as a easy method. So all these I explained in this last video. So please go check there one check once that video and come to this one. So in this video, so we are going to find the solutions of exercise what 11.2. So exercise 11.2 solutions we will find in this video. So first question here. So evaluate the following. So question is given. First one sin 45 plus cos 45. Here sin solution will take it as sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. So sin 45 degrees is equal to how much? 1 by root 2. So please keep with you this trigonometric table values, and you will understand easily. Okay, so another thing is cos 45 1 by root 2. So what is the LCM here? 1 by root 2 the LCM, and uh, numerator 1 plus 1 will come here is equal to 2. So if we multiply with the root 2 and divide with the root 2 though, so it will become numerator will become root 2. 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 2. So the root a into root a is equal to root a whole square, like this will come, and root will get cancelled, a will be remain. So like this I took as a 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, will remain as a root 2 is the answer of this given question here. But how much? Root 2. Now second question solution will take. So cos 45 value how much? Cos 45 value is equal to how much? 1 by 2 root 2. Another thing is there na secant 30. So cos 30 is equal to how much? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, and secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3 will come here. So I am explaining for you this one, so to understand easily. So other thing what we have to get here, cosecant na. So sin 60 is equal to how much? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Then cosec 60, so 2 by root 3 will come here. So this is two values here, secant 30 and cosecant 30 we have to take here. So cos 45 divided by degrees divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. This is a question actually. So we have to submit the values in this one. So here question cos 45 degrees is equal to how much? 1 by root 2 and divided by, so how much there? Secant 30 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 is equal to also 2 by root 3. So what will come here? 1 by root 2 will be there like that only, and after that this is the LCM. Root 3 will come, and numerator 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 will come here. So 4 will come. So it will go subside, and it will become uh, this this is a denominator. So in the denominator there is a rational number, so it will go subside, it will become root 3 divided by 4 root 2 will come here. So this is answer of given question, this one. Root 3 divided by 4 root 2 is the answer. Now third question here given that solution we will take. So sin 30 plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees and divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees is given na. So first we'll take the values of these all things, like okay, sin 30 is equal to how much? Sin 30 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Tan 45 degrees is equal to how much? Tan 45 degrees is equal to how much? Tan 45, 1, no? So very good. So cosecant 60. So cosecant 60 already we did in last one. So that is how much? 2 by root 3. Very good. Cosecant 60, 2 by root 3. Very good. ఎందుకంటే sin 60 is also 3 by root 2, no? So root 3 by 2, no? So it's reverse. Here cot 45. Cot 45 degrees is equal to how much? 1 only, no? So cos tan 45 1 అయితే cot 45 also will become 1. Here cos 60. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. And secant 30. Secant 30. Secant 30 is how much here? Secant 30. 2 by root 3. Why? Because cos 30 value root 3 by 2, no? So that will be reverse here. So this is cos 30 will think that. So cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So it will be reverse here. That's it here. Nothing more than this here. So I'm erasing this one. Okay. Now we took all values here and we submit these values in the given question. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now plus tan 45 is equal to how much? 1. 1 I am taking. And cosecant 60 is equal to how much? 1 by 2 divided by, another thing there, what, cot 45 is equal to how much? 1. And plus cos 60 is equal to, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and minus secant 60 is equal to, secant 30 is equal to how much? Secant 30 is equal to how much? So here cosecant 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, no? So 2 by root 3. So 2 by, so root 3. This is I took wrong here. So not took wrong. Just I did this one. Like cosecant 60 is, cosecant 60 2 by root 3 here. Another thing is 1 by plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 minus secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. So see here. 2 1 ja, this 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. And again 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 2 divided by root 3. So numerator denominator are equal. So we can cancel this one. We will get the answer as 1 here. Okay. So 1 is the answer of given question here. Now fourth question solution here. So 2 tan square 45 degrees and plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees is equal to. So tan 45 is equal to how much? Tan 45 is equal to 1. Okay. Cos 30 is equal to how much? Cos 30 value is how much? Tell me speed. Root 3 by 2. Very good. So sin 60 is equal to how much? So root 3 by 2. Same. Okay. These values we have to know. So we'll submit in this one. Where tan 45 is equal to 1 now. So 2 into 1 square will come here plus cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 no. So here root 3 by 2 whole square will come minus sin 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. So these values we got here. So here how can we calculate? So we calculate directly here, or else square root will get cancelled and something we can do. So a square minus a square is equal to 0 will come now. So this is thing that a and this is thing that a square minus a square. These two will values will get cancelled here. Okay. So 2 into this is 1 square na. So 1 square 1 only will come here. 2 1 ja 2 will come. So answer is how much? 2 is the answer. Now fifth one. Now fifth one question solution here. So given question what? Secant square 60 minus tan square 60 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is given. So in the secant 60 is equal to how much will come here? Secant 60 is equal to, so cos 60 is equal to how much? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 no. So secant 60 what will come here then? 2 will come here. So secant 60 value 2. And I think tan 60 is equal to, what is tan 60? Root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. And sin 30 is equal to, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. We'll submit the values. Secant square 60. Secant square 60 means 2 square will come na. That is only na. 2 square will come here. Secant 60. 2 square. and here minus tan square 60. Tan square 60 is equal to how much? Tan 60 is equal to root 3 na? So root 3 whole square and divided by, this is square here not z, and sine square 30. So 1 by 2 whole square will come plus cos square 30. So cos 30 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 whole square will come here. So 2 square is equal to how much? 4 will come here minus square root will get cancelled, divided by 3 will come here minus 3, and what will be there? So this is 1 by 2 whole square now, so 1 by 4 will come here plus, and square root will get cancelled, 3 by 2 square 4 will come here. This is the answer. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and divided by 4 is LCM, and 3 plus 1 4 here, 4 1 ja 4 1 ja will get cancelled, 1 is the answer. So denominator will come 1, so 1 by 1 is equal to 1 is the answer of given question. Now second question is, choose the right option and justify your answer. Options are given. First question, A is a sin 60 is given, and B is given as cos 60, and C is given as tan 30, and D is given as sin 30. So this is a question. So we'll do here only 2 into tan 30 is equal to how much will come? Tan 30 is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3 and divided by 1 plus tan square. How much? Tan square 45. So tan 45 is equal to how much? 1. So 1 square will come here. So this will become 2 by root 3 and divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. So this will come here like this, and it will become what will come here? So it will, this is the numerator. So 2 by like 2 by 2 by root 3 divided by 2. Which one? This one. Okay, so this one will be there, and it will goes to the upside numerator side, and it will become 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2 will come. So 2 2 will get cancelled, is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is how much? Tan 30 value. So this is the answer of given question here. Okay, now second one is given 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. So this is a question. The option are given like this. A is a tan 90, B is a 1, and C is a sin 45, and D is a 0 is given. Solution: 1 minus tan square 45, no? So divided by 1 plus tan square 45. So tan 45 value is how much? 1, no? So here we'll take it as 1 minus 1 divided by, this is 1 square only will come. So here 1 square 1 only will come. So here also plus 1 by 1. So 0 divided by 2 will come here. Here 0 is the value. So D is the option right here. Okay. So please make note of this, all these question solutions. Okay. So you will understand easily for practice for your board exams. So third question solution. What is the third question is given here? 2 tan 30 and divided by 1 minus tan square 30 is given here. So tan 30 value what? 1 by root 3. Very good. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 will come na. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. We'll submit the values in this one. 2 are tan 30 only, so we'll take that 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so question is only this one only na. So 2 tan square. Okay, 1 minus tan square 30. Tan square 30 and numerator 2 tan 30. Okay, very good. So this is a question here, and it will become 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 and divided by this is whole square actually. Here see, this is whole square, and 1 minus root and square will get cancelled here. Right, 1 by 3 will remain. So 3 1 ja 3, 2 by root 3 divided by, this is 3 1 ja 3, 3 minus 1 2. 2 divided by 3 will come here. How much? 2 divided by 3. So this will goes to opposite on numerator, and it will become 2 into 3 divided by, so this okay, we'll do like this one, 3 divided by 2 into root 3 will come. So 2 2 will get cancelled. So 3 by root 3 will come here. We will multiply with the root 3 and divide the root 3 though. So it will, numerators will be 3 into root 3 will come, and divided by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 will come. So here root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 3 whole square will come. So square root will get cancelled though, 3 will remain. So here 3 will get cancelled, root 3 is the answer here. So the options are given as third one, A is equal to cos 60 is given, and B is equal to how much given? Sine 60, and C is equal to tan 60 is given, and D is equal to sine 30 is given. So you know answer. Which one? Which one? Tan 60 is the answer. So these are the three important questions of given second question. We'll move to the third one. Third question. These are the bits of second questions. Okay. These bits. Third bit. Now third question here. The evaluate the sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. What is the value of sine 60 plus 30? So what can you conclude here? This is the question here. Solution. So evaluating. So first sine 60 cos 30 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60 is given. So first we will find, after that we will find sine 30 plus 60 or sine 60 plus 30. Either can you write, okay? So 90 only will come. Here sine 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is equal to also root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is equal to how much? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 60 is equal to also 1 by 2. So the value will become, so root 3 into root 3, this will 3 will come. 2 to the 4 plus. So this is 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 to the 4. So LCM is 4 will come here for this one, and the numerators are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 1 ja 4 1 ja will get cancelled. 1 is the answer here. Here sine 30 plus 60 plus 30. How much? Sine 90. Sine 90 value is how much? 1. So here we can say that sine of, okay, 60 plus 30 is equal to, I'm saying that we can conclude these are equal, both are equal. So we can write it as sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. We can write this way. So these both are equal here. So which one? Sine 60 plus 30, and the given expression, that is sine 60 plus cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. This given na? So this is the solution of this given question. Both are equal. We can say that. We can conclude both are equal. Fourth question here. Is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30? So given like same question like this one only, sin 60 plus 30 is equal to, okay, sin 60 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to, na? So this question same here, cos 60 plus 30 is given. Now solution is, in the sine way it will come or not, we have to check, that's it only. This value we got as a 1. Okay. Now here given question is cos 60 plus 30 no is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 and sin 30. So cos 60 plus 30, cos 90 we can take it as here. So cos 60 is equal to how much we have? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, very good, into cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So cos 90 is equal to how much? 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0, no? Very good. So this is root 3 by 4 will come here. Root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4, root 3 into root 3. So root 3 by 4 will come here. So these two will also get cancelled, is equal to 0 is equal to 0 will come. So we can say that these both are also equal here. So cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60, and what there, cos 30 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. So these value are also equal. So this is equal here. Is right. Is it right ante? It is right. Okay. So it is right here. Yes, it is right here. So this is a fourth question. Now moving to the fifth question. Now fifth question here. Solution. So in a right angle triangle PQR. PQR is a right angle triangle is saying. We'll take right angle triangle. Okay. So how it will take PQR, no? So given that PQR, okay, and right angle at Q, I took here right angle at Q, and PQ is equal to 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and RPQ, so angle RPQ. So I didn't took angle here, I am taking R here, angle here, angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And determine the lengths of the QR and PR. So QR, so where is the QR? So this value we have to find, and PR this value we have to find. Solution here. So what is given? Angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees is given. So this I took here. Okay. Another thing, PQ is equal to 6 centimeters is given. Okay. So this is he saying that PQR is a right angled triangle. So from this, uh, adjacent by hypotenuse, no? So adjacent by hypotenuse means we can take as a tan 60. Okay. Sir, tan 60, why are you taking other we can also take, na? So sine also we can take sine 60 by hypotenuse will also come. So here tan 60 I taken to, so opposite side will come here. Tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent, no? So opposite is how much? QR. Opposite is how much? QR by PQ will come. QR by PQ will come. So from this we'll find the QR value, means opposite side we'll find first one. So tan 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 now. So very good. This is and after that QR value we don't know. So and PQ is equal to how much here? PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. From this we can write it as 6 root 3 is equal to QR. So what is the QR value? 6 root 3. And again what we have to find? This hypotenuse side PR square is equal to we have to find. Okay, PR square is equal to we have to find. So PR square is equal to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras. Okay, Goras theorem. ఇది TA ఒకటి HA Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Okay. So PR square we have to find. PR square is equal to PQ square is equal to how much? PQ square is equal to 6 square and plus RQ. RQ is equal to how much? 6 root 3 whole square here. So from this we can write it as PR square is equal to, so 6 square is equal to 36 plus here 6 square will come and root 3 whole square will come here. 2 root 3 will get cancelled here and will become 36 plus this is 6 6 is 36 into here 3 will be remain. Okay, so 36 I will come on to PR square, from PR square 36 will come to 1 plus this 3 will remain here. So 3 plus 1 4, 36 into 4 will come. So PR is equal to under root of 36 into 4 we can write. So this square is then it goes to the right side of the equation and it will become root. So this 36 will come as a 6 and this 4 will come as a 2. So PR is equal to 6 to the 12. So hypotenuse is value how much? 12 value. Means PR is equal to how much? 12. So this one, and QR is equal to how much we got? 6 root 3 here. QR. So these are the two values are answers here. Okay, now next one is sixth one. Now sixth question solution here. What is the sixth question here? Given that in triangle XYZ, the right angle at Y. Okay, so right angle at Y. Here we will take that Y to. So here YZ is equal to YZ is equal to how much? X is given and XZ is equal to. We'll take X to XZ is equal to 2X is given. Then determine the angle YXZ and angle YZX. So what we have to find? We have to find this angle and this angle. This already we know 90 degrees here. So remaining 90 minus X will come here. This X will come something here. We have to find these angles. Now start with one. Start this one here. Uh, like so we'll take it here Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So this from Pythagoras theorem. So here hypotenuse square is equal to xz whole square is equal to and yz square plus xy square will come here. So xz whole square is equal to how much? 2x square will come here and yz is equal to how much? X square will come here plus. So this is xy whole square I say like that, remain like that only. So this is 4x square will come here. 2x square whole square is equal to 4x square minus x square will come here, this one this side is equal to xy whole square. So this is 3x square will come here, 4x square minus x square is equal to 3x square will come here and this is xy square and from this x and y is equal to under root of 3x square will come. So x square will get cancelled here and will remain root 3 x will remain. So this one root 3 x will come, xy value this one. So what we have to find here, angle y z y x z here angle we find. So means tan x value I will take here, tan x or sin x, something we can, anyone we can take. Here y x z I will take it as tan x. Angle we have to find now. So here determine the angle x sorry y x z, y x z middle term is taking as an angle. So tan x is equal to, so tan x is equal to what? Okay, opposite by, very good, opposite by adjacent. Opposite is how much? X, so is equal to x divided by adjacent is equal to how much? Root 3 x will come. So x will get cancelled, 1 by root 3 will remain. So tan x is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to how much? Tan 60, no? So means we can write it as x is equal to 60 degrees here. So this x is equal to 60 degrees value we got. Another thing what we have to find, angle y z x we have to find. So tan z is equal to, so I have to find a z value here. Okay, so tan z is equal to from this side. Okay, so from up to down. So opposite to z, opposite to z is equal to how much? Root 3 x divided by opposite by adjacent, x will come here, x root will get cancelled, so root 3 will remain. So root 3 is equal to tan 30. So z is equal to how much we get? 30 degrees here. So these are the two angles he asking us to determine of this one, x and z. So now moving to the next question, seventh one. Now seventh one here, is it right to say that sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b? Is it right? He asking us to find. So justify your answer. So sine of a plus b is equal to, I am taking a is equal to 60 degrees and b is equal to 30 degrees. I am taking like this example. I will submit in this value. Sine of a plus b, 60 plus 30. Here sine a is equal to 60 I am taking. Sine b is equal to 30 I am taking. So sine, this is sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to how much will come? Here 90 degrees will come. Sine 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 will come here. Now sine 90 is equal to how much value? 1. Sine 80 is equal to 1. So this is LCM 2 and root 3 plus 1 will come. A numerator will be added and LCM is 2 here, this one. So both are equal? No, these are not equal. Then we can say that sine of a plus b is equal to sine of a plus sine b is are not equal to here. These are not equal to. Okay na? So this is answer. We can justify your answer bole to here we can write this explanation. So this is end of this exercise here, 11.2 exercise of trigonometry. So trigonometry exercise completed చేశాను. So this is the last ending point. And please యార్ do share and subscribe to my channel. షేర్ చేయండి and subscribe చేసుకోండి. So subscribe karo yaar. Please share as much as you with your friends. Okay, I will bring more and more videos with the exclusive elaborating చేసి మీకు చెప్తాను. Elaborative means every question how it will come and how it will answer to given question. So this is my motive to give you best way of solutions. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see in the next 11.3 as soon as possible. Okay, complete here.